The hedgehog, a charming and enigmatic creature, has captivated human hearts for centuries. Did you know that these spiky mammals are natural pest controllers, feasting on insects and snails? With up to 5,000 spines, hedgehogs form a defensive shield against predators. Surprisingly, they are excellent swimmers, able to paddle across small bodies of water. Hedgehogs possess a unique talent for hibernation, lowering their body temperature and heart rate significantly. Truly remarkable creatures, hedgehogs continue to intrigue and delight nature enthusiasts worldwide.